more movement than you see in some other chairs. So you have a little bit of that wiggle here and there. That's going to be a B for me.
Yeah, for me, this is an above average chair, mainly just because of the value that you're getting. The guys have already touched on the adjustability, the comfort. I agree wholeheartedly on all of that, and as well as the downsides. It's not the best looking chair, and it does have some rattling components sometimes, depending on what you go with. But the price range that it's in, between that $400 to $700 price range, there's a massive void in the market right now. We only have at BTOD, 3, 4, 5 chairs that we typically lean towards in that price range, and this is one of them that we are recommending on a daily basis, both in videos as well as when people call. And so the value that you're getting for the price that you're paying, you are definitely getting as much chair as your money's going into. So for me, it's an easily above average chair, so I've got it at a B as well.
So this can be found for about $130. The Tacova ergonomic chair has a lot of adjustments for that price range. I would not expect this chair to last really long, though. That's the problem. The build quality is not going to be there. But some of you maybe don't even need a chair for that 8 to 10 hours. You might just be in your office a couple hours a day. So this is something to look at, again, in that lower price range. I'm going to go with a C.
I'm going to be in a similar spot as Robert. The place that I do think that it excels is the value. I think that you're getting good value for the price that you're paying. Like Robert said, like $150 or less for this chair. The problem is I have a tough time giving it that much of a boost for my comfort rating because the warranty is not very good. The build quality, like Robert said, is not very good. And so it's a chair that you're going to expect to last like 1 to 2 years. And then returns are standard, returns, and you're going to pay return shipping. So I can't really give it a boost from the policies. I could maybe give it a little boost because of the value. So I'd be rated a C+ on this one.
I mean, I think that this chair normally sells with its discounts for like $139 and sometimes even $129, which is honestly incredible that it can come from China, then come into the States and then ship